Okay, so today, this is my first time doing Screencastify, so woohoo. Anyway, so today we are going to be looking at the review of systems of equations and inequalities, okay? So that's this paper that you're going to be getting. Okay, so what we're going to do for this is going to be the simple thing that we're going to be doing, and we're going to be using Desmos for it, okay? So all the instruction says is students will be able to solve linear systems of equations and inequalities by graphing. So we're going to be doing stuff on the front page and then on the back page, and we're going to be doing what we would say is the when we want to know if it's the solution. So we'll be working with that and doing that solution, okay? So let's go ahead and go to Desmos, and you guys should know how to work that by now. So number one, I am going to get rid of these. And so number one on our worksheet was y equals x plus 1 and y equals x minus 4. And all we have to do is write down this the solution of the system, okay? Or the system solution. Okay, so number one was y equals x plus 1. Oops. And y equals x plus, oh no, x minus 4. Okay. It's something wrong, didn't I? Okay, so, oh no, I didn't do anything wrong. Hello. Okay, what have we talked about this over and over and over. So if your slope is exactly the same, we're going to have those two parallel lines. You can see that right there. Those are parallel lines. That means that they're not going to at any point intersect. Okay, intersect. So that means number one would be a no solution. So go ahead and write no solution for number one. Okay. Okay, and hopefully you've, if you're at home, that you've printed off this worksheet, and if you're have the worksheet, great. Okay, good job. Yes, so remember, whenever our slope is the same, so our x's are the same on both of those, right? So every time the slope is the same, that means that that's a no solution, okay? Because they're not going to ever, at any point, they're not going to ever connect or go intercept each other. Okay. So let's look at number two. Okay, number two is y equals negative 1/3 x minus 3, and y equals negative 8 over 3x plus 4. We can see that both of those are not the same slope, so it's not going to be a no solution. Plus 4, so we just go back to Desmos. We put it in. Y equals negative 1/3 x minus 3, and then our next one is y equals negative 8 over 3 x plus 4. Okay, then you just hover over where those points intersect, and that is our system solution. So right here, as I hover over that, then we've got 3 and negative 4 is number 2. Okay, going on to number 3. So you can write that in on your paper. Okay, number 3 says 6x plus y equals 4. And what's nice about Desmos is you don't have to solve for y. It does it for you. They're so nice. And then x plus y equals negative 1. So those are our next problem right there. It says right there 6x plus y equals 4, and x plus y equals negative 1. Okay, so we have that in there. 6x plus y equals 4, and x plus y equals negative 1. Just wanted to make sure, double checking. Okay, and then we see that it intercepts through 1 and negative 2. So go ahead and write that down, 1 and negative 2. Okay, good job. Okay, number 4. Okay, number 4, all you have to write in is x minus y equals -4. And my second problem, or my second equation is 5x plus 2y equals a -6. Okay, so where do they intercept? Right there. So our system solution is -2 and 2. So write that in. Okay, beautiful. Moving on to number 5. Don't you just love Desmos? I do. Okay, so 5 would be y equals 1 minus 3x. And then my next problem is 2x. Here, I'll move it over here. 2x equals 4 plus y. Oh my gosh, I do that every time. Sorry. Plus y. Okay, I gotta double check so you can see that we're on number 5. Y equals 1 minus 3x, 2x plus 4. Okay, we just gotta make sure I did that. 2x equals 4 plus y. Okay, so where do they intercept? Right there at 1 and -2. Another 1 and -2. Okay. And our last problem on that top part of this review. Oh my goodness, this is going to be such an easy test using Desmos. Desmos is amazing, right, you guys? So -y, 0 equals -y plus x minus 3 and 3y plus 9x minus 3 equals 0. Okay, so 3y plus 9x minus 3 equals 0. Again, let's see where it does. Oh, another 1 and -2. Lots of 1 and -2s in this system solution. So that's where the lines intercept. That's your system solution. Okay, so watch the next video for when we're going to circle the solution, because I'm going to do inequalities. So I'm going to add 2 videos to this this module. Okay, so we'll see you in just a little bit.